Honorable Minister, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, Honorable Speaker, distinguished guests on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank the Priyadarshini Academy for this privilege, which I receive in all humility. Our group's first brush with going global was in the early 1960s. My father was then a freshly minted graduate from MIT, and he felt pretty strapped down by the tyrannies of the license Raj. So he looked overseas, he set his eyes on Southeast Asia, and he built a large and prospering business enterprise there over the next 3 decades. So that was one man's vision and clairvoyance. Our second phase of going international started in 1997, and this time it was dictated by the forces of globalization. So since then we made acquisitions largely with the view to strengthen our businesses, to access raw material, to access technology, to access markets, and to go one step closer to the customer by going down the value chain. Today, about 53% of our global turnover of $40 billion comes from our operations overseas, and we call ourselves a multinational that's born in India and has an Indian soul. I believe that a large proportion of our revenues will continue to come from overseas in the future, given our global ambitions. 2 observations that I'd like to share with you. One is that what made it much easier for us to go global is the fact that there was a huge respect and regard for Indian entrepreneurs and Indian companies, something that I hope will be the case again soon. And second, I think I'd like to say that Indian managers are, if not the best, amongst the best in terms of intellectual capability, in terms of the ability to work hard, in terms of their commitment, and second to none anywhere in the world. Again, I'd like to thank you for this recognition. I receive it on behalf of all the 150,000 people in the Aditya Birla Group across 6 continents. It is a privilege. Thank you.